Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're first time in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a fake deep live video call. So many people have been looking for how to do this without their PC, so I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial guide on how to use your phone. So the app we're going to be using is called xpression on the App Store. So let's go to our App Store and open it. So search for xpression. So this is the app we're talking about, the very first one. You can also use this app too, but it's just that it's paid. So this is the app we're going to use. So I'm going to be dropping the link to this app in the description below, and for now it's not available on Android, but the solution to that is coming soon. Once you install the app, you open it. So once you open it, the first thing you're going to be seeing there is your face. Then you pick the celebrity you want to use. Okay, let's say you want to use Kanye West. Okay, so you see now we are using his face. So I've successfully tuned his face with my face, so as you can see, as I'm moving my face, his face is also moving alongside. So I'm also going to be making a video soon on how you can tune in his voice with your voice instead of using your voice. So you can see as I'm moving my eyes, he's moving. As I'm blinking my eyes, he's blinking his eyes alongside with me. So you can just take your other phone and make your call and use your back camera and all of that. So this is just how you can do this. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comment section. So thanks for watching guys. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.